Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset MetaTrader 5 demo account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your MetaTrader 5 account. After that, what you want to do is click on Settings, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, click on your account. After that, all you gotta do is swipe left and click on Delete. And click on this plus button and add new account. Enter all the credentials and your MetaTrader account will be reset just like that. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.